Hello YouTube, this is Grow It Build It again. Thought I'd show you what a tray looks like that's finished. This is packed with all the 6 packs that we just planted. It's a 10-20 tray, so this will hold I guess 8 of the big 6 packs, or a lot more, I think a dozen of the small ones. I don't like using the small ones very much unless I know I'm going to transplant them right away. So I try to go with the deep cells, plus it allows you to get a little more root. It's less steps, I find. But this is going to go out out into the yard, basically. So it's the 10-20 tray with a little reinforcement cage. I got a plastic dome here. I just duct tape it in 4 places, 1, 2, and then the opposite sides. And then for insurance, I just put 2 pieces of twine, one running lengthwise, one across. And it's just a simple, slip knot like you tie your shoe with, just as insurance in case the tape fails or whatever. But there's a bunch of holes in the top. There are holes in the sides here, and then on the ends. And that's just if it's sitting in the sun and the temperature gets up to 50 degrees, the temperature inside here gets very hot. It's like a miniature greenhouse. But this will stay out all winter. It's my way of doing cold stratification. The holes in the top let moisture in, snow melt, rain, whatever. It works. I've been doing it for years, so I just thought I'd show you guys that quick. Thank you.